Good morning, everyone. This is Lydell located here in southern Alabama with brush hogging in the dirty south. Today's task is to get a little pressure washing done, and I'm not going to be doing the work myself. My nephew going to be doing it. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do a little walk around where you can see what I got. And anyway, he'll be here shortly. Anyway, here's the building, and as you can see, there's some mold and mildew and stuff all around that edge right there. I'm trying not to let that sun hit you guys and the camera and everything, the lens. But we're gonna do a little walk around here. I can show you what I got. This is the building right here. It's only 18 feet wide by 20 feet deep. But as you can see up on top, it's got some like some mildew on the top of it. The sides in the back is not bad. Just mostly all the stuff is up on top. So that's what he's gonna be. He's gonna be working with, trying to get it all cleaned up. But anyway, he should be here shortly, and we're gonna get him to work on this building. We got a little cement work we're gonna get him to do here also, as far as cleaning off the cement. May as well walk around here and let you guys look at the cement. You can see here as I'm walking what I'm talking about. And get me clean all this cement up. I posted a video yesterday whereas I was cleaning the yard up, and you can see right here in front of the garage all this green algae and stuff that's growing here. And get me clean all this mess up. But that's a slipping hazard there, and I done got too old to be slipping and falling and breaking bones and whatnot. But all down that walkway there, you can see, is in dire need of some cleanup. All in here in the entry court, in dire need of some cleanup and around. And then upstairs, I don't know if you can see it or not, if it's showing up good enough, those windows up there have some algae going on them also. I'm gonna go ahead and get me clean all that up. But anyway, he'll be here shortly, and once he get here, we'll go ahead and get this thing here to roll. I'm not sure how much of the driveway I'm gonna get done today. I would like to get it all done, but you know, I'm not sure how much time he gonna have to spend on it. So he may have to come back another day and to do the whole driveway. But we're gonna go ahead and let him work on as much of it as he can today. So anyway, that's about it, and we'll get back get this thing going again as soon as you get here. All right, we're back. This is Lydell with brush hogging in the dirty south. I got my nephew Leon down here getting ready to get started with this pressure washing this building, and also gonna do my driveway. Leon, if you will, go ahead and say hello to YouTube and tell the folk what kind of process you use.
Hey YouTube. So today I'll be cleaning my uncle's shed right here, and what I'm gonna use is bleach. What I normally use is 12% sodium hypochlorite, but can't use that on this metal because it'll eat it all up. So what I got is just regular household bleach that you use to wash your clothes with, and it's 7% sodium hypochlorite. So that'll be safe for us building.
Okay.
So what I do is pour about half a gallon in this 3-gallon pump sprayer, and then fill it up with water all the way up to 3 gallons. Then I take a little dish soap, put about half this bottle in there, and what that does is it acts as a surfactant, and it sticks to the surface. That way, the bleach will be able to do its job rather than run down.
Gotcha.
So put that on there, leave it on there for about a good 10 minutes. I just put the whole bottle in there. Leave that on there for about a good 10 minutes, and then wash it off, and it should be clean.
All right.
That's what I'm getting ready to do now. I'm pump this up, climb this ladder, spray it. And I got my brother coming over. I'm gonna put him up there. He's gonna wash it off, wash it down. That's why I got Lonnie. He's lighter than me.
Yeah. Be careful. You want to wait till he get here?
I just spray it from the ladder.
Okay.
Yeah, what you want to do is get a good soap. And the bleach is gonna eat all this stuff up. I got a tank that I normally use for this, but it's currently out of commission. Tore it up on my last job. Gotta get it fixed. But this pump sprayer right here gets the job done.
Was that that big bullet tank that your dad had?
That's right.
Okay. I remember seeing it. He used it down here whenever he pressure washed my house once. I think that's the one he had he was having to have to air it up.
That's right. Use the air compressor to air it up.
Yeah. That soap show hope it help it to stick real good on that hole.
Right about that. Still bleach on spraying now. Yeah. You don't want to mess that hoodie up. You don't want to mess that hoodie up. You don't want to take it off.
Goodbye, little Lonnie. Say hello to YouTube.
All right now.
Hello once again, everyone. This is Lydell here in southern Alabama with brush hogging in the dirty south. We're gonna get ready to do this final review on the pressure washing here on the cement. He finally finished up here today. It's the next day, and he done finished up. Kind of run out of time yesterday. It got kind of dark on him, got late. But anyway, I think it turned out pretty good. Got some places here where I got to take some Roundup and spray for the weeds coming up in the seam. It's still kind of damp right now, so it's not really showing up real good. Would have turned out a lot better had I had some decent concrete here for him to work with. As you can see right here, this concrete is all cracked up right here. That's due to a tree nearby, and root system is grown underneath the concrete slab and broke it all up. But as you can see, as far as the rest of it turned out pretty good. I did stop him. I hear the back of the tire hole still got a little bit more out here to pressure wash from this point here on out to the road, and I get him to come back and do that in the near future. Got to get my tire hole up and running. Probably just gonna need a battery in it. Hadn't ran it in a while, so once he get it up and moving, I'll go ahead and get it out the way, and he can go ahead and clean up on it next time around. So anyway, right here you'll see where some more concrete broke. Had the house re-roofed here about a year and a half ago. They come in here with the dump trucks and around, and because you know how that goes. Dump truck get on concrete, and they'll crack it up and do it around. This concrete done held up well. It's 26 years old, so you know it's showing its age right now. So anyway, that's about it. I think it turned out pretty good, you know, due to the age of the concrete and the shape of the concrete. Down that walkway, that there concrete looking pretty rough right there, and that's due to the age of it. It has nothing to do with the work he done. It's got some little chips and dips in it where it was it's holding the water and the dirt and stuff that was washed up. So I get out here and wash that off some more and clean that on up. All it is just need to flush it out, them low points, with some water. But overall, I think it turned out great myself. I'm gonna go ahead and do a review on this shed here too, while we out here doing this here. I want you to see how it look. I don't have the ladder out here where I can get up on it, so you can take a look at it, but look at it the best you can up top there. I think it turned out great. You go outside the fence and wait. You look at this other side of it here, but on the top of the roof. Yep, that's what it looked like right there. So, turned out real good. I'm real pleased, real happy with it. If you guys like this type of stuff and want to see more of it, if you will, hit that subscribe button. Be sure and hit that like button and share it with your friends. It's going to be Lydell Moore, located here in southern Alabama with brush hogging and the dirty south. Y'all take care, and thanks for watching.